Hey, my friends, it's Realtor Paul Wozniak.
And Robert Crow, Realtor.
And we're with RE/MAX Alliance, and we're going to tour Robert's new listing, a condo, 4655 Hahn's Peak in Loveland, number 102.
2-bed, 2-bath, and it backs to
this nice sidewalk trail. There's a trail up on the hill here. You look back on this beautiful grass. And is there a lake? There's a body of water right behind there.
Equalizer Lake.
Yes. Yep. So nice open concept here. This is, the kitchen has plenty of counter space. Really nice kitchen. Just a simple, nice condo.
Yeah. Beautiful cabinetry. And we're going to see your favorite feature here in a second.
Absolutely. The faucet. Oh, I absolutely love, I just love the shape of it.
You have a faucet fetish.
Something like that.
Yeah.
Yep. I like the hardware on the cabinetry.
Nice and modern.
Nice and sturdy. Like I said, plenty of counter space, cook up whatever kind of storm that you would like here.
Decent appliances, all matching.
Yep.
All working.
Yep. And open concept. So as you're, having people over, you're cooking, doing whatever you're going to do in the kitchen, everyone's hanging out in the living room. I love the tennis rackets.
You like those?
I love the tennis rackets for staging.
I got those at a thrift store, and then my friend Dylan drilled holes in the back so we could hang them. I love them. And they're so cool. Well, here's the patio, because the tennis rackets aren't for sale. Back patio again with Equalizer Lake and the trails just around the corner.
Yeah, look at what you look out on there from your living room.
Yeah, and then this whole condo was painted before we put it on the market, and all brand new carpets.
The staging in here is great. I just want folks to notice this. If you're thinking about selling your home coming up here, you want to hire realtors that will take great care of it and make it look like this. It just looks so presentable and kind of like true to itself, I think. Yeah,
every bit of furniture in this condo comes from my staging storage unit. We have how many beds? 50 beds? No, 50.
I mean, just
15 beds.
Whatever it takes to make the property look as it should, to allow people to imagine living here. And I think it's very easy to imagine it because this is a great place. It's open with a lot of space, 2 bedrooms, 2 nice bathrooms, looks back onto this green area. And it's all how it should be.
It's a great roommate setup as well. One roommate can have one half of the condo, and the other roommate's on the opposite side. Each gets their own bathroom.
The location is amazing. Lakeshore at Centerra, so it's right by Highway 34, right near the outlets at Loveland. And
Target, Marshalls.
Yeah, right in the center of everything. This is some of the surrounding area. This is a nearby pond. There's the pool.
HOA has a pool and a hot tub, a little gym as well.
Yep, and that's the walking trail that's right behind it.
Isn't that beautiful?
Yeah. So you have the sidewalks. As we were getting it ready, there were lots of people walking their dogs on the sidewalk and on the trail.
There was the lake.
It's a great little neighborhood.
Great location. Probably the best location in Lakeshore.
4655 Hahn's Peak, number 102, listed by Robert Crow.
Yep. Call us for a showing.